Oh, what do we have here? This one is titled, She Hit the Gas with a Cop Standing in Front by Code Blue Cam.
The car.
When cops were called to an argument that spiraled out of control, they had no idea they'd be putting their lives at risk and nearly taking down their suspect in the process.
You're gonna get shot!
On the morning of July 5th, 2025, officers and fire crews were called to an apartment complex in Greenfield, Wisconsin, for what sounded like a routine disturbance. A man told police his girlfriend's 20-year-old sister had injured him during an argument over gas money. When officers arrived with fire crews, they went upstairs to speak with him and the others involved. Inside the apartment, they found him with blood on his face and more on the floor nearby.
Now, he know he could have wiped that up. He was just being extra. Hey, gas is expensive nowadays. $65 to fill up my Honda.
How's it going? All right to step in?
She's downstairs.
Okay.
We got the fire department here to come check you out. She's downstairs where?
With the blue car and a black guy. Chunky dude.
She's wearing the purple shirt and purple.
She's like has black and white pajama. Yeah.
Just got off the elevator.
What the officers didn't realize was that they had walked right past the suspect on their way up to the apartment.
Explains why they weren't very friendly.
So
Purple bonnet tells me everything I need to know.
they relayed the information to 2 additional officers who began searching the parking lot to find them before they could leave. In the meantime, though, while the fire department checks out the man, the officers decide to talk to his girlfriend to see what this was all about.
She was just complaining about, he said that he was going to give her some gas money, and then she just kept going on and on and on. And then next thing you know, she just threw her lunchbox.
So this was an argument about gas money. Mm-hmm. And she got mad and threw a lunchbox.
That's crazy.
Anything else get thrown?
No.
At first, it seemed like a simple, low-stakes call, but just a few floors below, officers were about to realize the situation was far from over.
What happened?
Nothing happened.
Step out of the car.
Why did they both talk like Napoleon Dynamite? Nothing happened.
Step out of the car.
I don't think so.
Step out of the car.
Get in the car.
Step out of the car. Oh my God.
Oh, she just tried to hit a cop. Yo, ass going to jail. Oh, no.
She's trying to run triumph over. She's heading out. She almost just ran me over. Fleeing. Fleeing around North High.
Oh, shit.
Black female, only occupant, wearing purple. RES1, she tried to run me over.
Why the hell y'all walked all the way over there and they bring your car over there to stop her so she wouldn't even be able to get out?
My key. I don't have a key.
Some damn police officers you guys are. You can turn in your damn badge. Shout out to Layla. I think Layla is the one that requested this video.
Dude, tell her dumbass to stop. Doing all this dumbass for what? Oh my God,
She really needed that gas money.
tell her what just happened.
I bet if she would have did something strange for that little piece of change, she wouldn't have had this issue.
Why don't you pull the car over? Why don't you stop driving, dumbass?
Are you on the phone with someone in the car, ma'am?
No.
You was just yelling in front of the cop, stupid. No. Like, you was just yelling. How you breathing hard and you was driving for 5 minutes?
Show me your hands! Show me your hands! You're gonna get shot!
I need to get those attachments on my pistol.
Here now!
When the vehicle suddenly stopped at an intersection, officers moved in cautiously.
I ain't gonna lie to you. If I was that suspect, I would have been like, sir, your screaming shows that you're scared. You are not ready.
Knowing the situation could change
For
again
this
at any
situation.
second, so they quickly placed spike strips under the tires to keep the driver from taking off again.
All she gotta do is back up and turn.
Put your hands out the window. Do it now. Next squad that's arriving, block westbound traffic. Reroute it sometime after 84th Street for crossfire. Ma'am, for your own safety, put your hands up. Step out of the car.
Oh, for some gas money.
You tried to run me over. Get your hands up.
I would have laughed if he would have said, you baby bag.
What is wrong with you?
He did not appreciate that shit.
Ma'am, all right? Step out of the car. Hands up. Just shot her.
You better run that shit.
No change, non-compliant, staying in the car, not listening to any commands at all.
Hands up! She's just crying. I think she's talking on the phone.
For about 5 minutes, officers kept giving
Why
command.
do people like to cry whenever they do dumb shit? You better chin up, chest out, motherfucker.
But the driver refused to step out. Instead, she stayed in the vehicle, crying on the phone and yelling back at police. Officers would later learn she had called her mother, who was telling her to stop and get out.
We're gonna talk about this, ma'am, okay? Just step out of the car.
Put your hands up. Step out of the car.
You want to move up, smash the window out in the back?
If Snorio ran you over, I'm not going up there until we have positive vehicle contact.
Exactly. I'm not doing shit. We staying back here.
Ma'am, you need to listen to us. Step out of the vehicle.
So we're going to do positive vehicle contact on the front and back to enter in, and then we're going to have to work a vehicle extraction.
Okay, doors opening.
Ma'am, step out.
Why she closed the door?
Face away from us when you step out.
Okay.
Ma'am, step out of the vehicle.
Ma'am, we need you to step out.
Put your phone down. Get out of the
Your mom better be Jesus Christ or the president of the United States. That's the only way you gonna start this.
car. Get your hands in the air.
Noah,
Yes?
when you're ready, I can do it from the front.
Anybody got a shield?
I do.
Let's get it. Let's go up with the taser.
Ma'am, you need to step out.
I'll go hands.
Okay, we need one more.
Put it on. Come to us.
Yeah, I'll trust a lefty shot over a righty any day.
I'll be
I'll take
lethal.
hands. I'll take hands.
We need one with taser. Try to pull, and if she resists at all, taser. Get out of the car now.
Get out of the car.
Get out of the car now.
car now.
Get out of the car now.
Get your big ass out the car.
Put your hands up. Put your hand out. Put your hand out. Put your hand out. Get it? I got it.
Hand behind your back, okay?
Hand behind your back.
Put your hand behind your back.
Hand behind your back.
Your hand.
You're under.
Note to self: if somebody promise you something, wait till they give it to you and put it in your hand. If they say they're gonna give it to you, just be like, whatever, motherfucker, and don't expect that. That's how you stay out of this.
Rest. Put your hand behind your back.
Did we learn a lesson today? Yes, we did.
All right. We got control.
Okay?
Someone want to
Keep
clear
breathing, okay?
the car.
She can't breathe with that shield right there.
One.
Whose is this? Whose is this?
Okay.
In custody.
You are damn lucky you're alive right now. Hey, everybody.
He wanted to shoot the shit out of her.
Take a couple breaths.
Deep breath. We'll get that door.
I got your phone in here, okay?
No. Do you need
Damn.
an ambulance at all? Is that your blood?
Yeah, my leg is cut.
Where? You know which one? This one here?
My right leg.
Okay. Now we're gonna have you on this set you up.
What are you doing?
This is the other parties involved.
You are on the wrong side of the road.
Pull out in front. You need to move your car, man.
What the hell is she doing?
Did anyone talk to these people?
No, didn't get a chance to.
One dispatch. Our female in custody does have a small puncture laceration to her right thigh. It is not currently bleeding, about 1 inch in length.
Want to sit her up?
Sit you up, okay? 1, 2, 3, on your bottom. All right. What you're gonna do is you're gonna keep both legs straight.
Can you put that
Them baby hairs just baby hair, and you just got your hair done. You couldn't afford gas.
one out
Bring them
straight?
to
They don't be wearing them little bands. You know what I'm saying? When a new wig is old, that's a new hairdo.
just a little bit. Just bend your knees a little bit forward towards you, okay? Bend your knees up towards you, okay? You ready?
Ready?
1,
2, 3.
go ahead.
All right.
What about my purse?
Don't worry about it.
All right. I'm going to have you take a seat and I'll buckle you in.
Ambulance is gonna come and check you out, okay? Let me fix your handcuffs first. Sorry. Oops, this is what happens.
I never feel sorry for somebody when they cry. I just don't. I just don't. I be trying to feel it. I be like, oh, you did some dumb ass shit, but I still feel sorry for you. I just don't feel it.
You okay other than your leg?
Any other injuries?
She need to go to the mental hospital. Get a check for that too. The hair is
With the driver
hairy.
now safely secured in the back of a patrol car, the only person officers have to deal with is her now frustrated twin sister, along with the man who had been with her moments earlier. The same man she had apparently planned to leave with before everything fell apart.
All right, so what's going on today?
She's mad because he wouldn't give her no gas money.
Who's she to you, man?
My sister.
And then, do you live at? Are you the one who called? The party that called?
No, he called.
Who's he?
My boyfriend.
Is that this gentleman?
No. Upstairs.
Okay.
He's like, not that.
So then, do you live at Sur Lane?
Yeah.
Okay. And then, who is this to you?
My sister.
That's your sister.
She just said that.
Okay. So you were in the apartment?
She mad because he wouldn't give her no money for gas. And then next thing you know, she just threw her lunchbox at him.
Who's he?
My boyfriend. She threw it at him. Tell him I could take her car. Could you tell him that?
After she
That shit getting told, baby.
threw the lunchbox, then what happened?
Do people don't know my business? Can you tell him to go?
I can't, unfortunately. Hold on. Where are you going? Hold on. You can't go in the car. We're not going in the car. Stop! 75. Why
Yo, everybody get arrested too.
can't you listen?
Can he leave her keys in
You
there?
can't. You can't just be walking around wherever you want to go.
I was gonna ask him, can he leave
That's
her
nice.
keys in there?
Leave. Go on the sidewalk.
If you tell him what's happening.
All right. So you're a friend, and you were in the apartment. Did you spend the night as well?
Yeah.
Okay. So then, I guess what happened?
Hell no. What you mean you spending the night in another man's house? I can see if y'all out of town or something, but I'd rather sleep in my car. I ain't gonna lie to you.
What transpired for someone to contact the police?
Threw something at her first, and she threw it back at him.
I don't know what I don't know what he threw at me, but he threw something at me. It was like some glass. It was like some glass he threw at my leg.
Okay. Well, the bleeding's controlled and stuff like that. It doesn't look like it's gonna need stitches.
We're gonna go
So who go to jail first?
ahead and put a Band-Aid on that for you, okay?
Gotta put it on the boo-boo.
Broke open after that.
Okay.
And it hit his throat.
Okay.
After she threw it back at him.
Okay. And then what's the argument over? Is it this gas money or?
Just gas money, man.
Ugly face cry.
I almost shot her, but he said the same. There's a crossfire. I could see him through the windshield, and so I just didn't. Okay.
She was later interviewed at the jail after being booked, where she gave her version of what happened inside the apartment, but it didn't fully match what officers had already heard. She claimed the man had been aggressive toward her and her sister, and said the argument escalated while she was trying to pack up and leave. According to her, he hit her and threw something back, causing an injury to her leg. But back at the apartment, the man gave officers one detail that may have explained where that injury actually came from.
Do you know how she got some type of puncture wound to her leg?
Yeah, I tossed the back at her.
The Tupperware?
Yeah, I tossed the back at her.
I'm breaking my heart doing CPR.
Just get out. And then she was like, I'm bleeding. I was like, what?
Was it the broken Tupperware you threw back? Or the glassware?
It was in the thing. It was in the lunchbox.
Is it glass or not, motherfucker?
Everything was in the lunchbox.
Or I guess, do you want to press charges against her for throwing that at you?
They're at the Forte and
You better not. That sister gonna give you hell, boy.
It's her sister.
No BJs for a month. No Uchi for a month. Think about it.
Oh, I just don't want her to get arrested.
Oh, she going to jail.
Well, I guess obviously, there's when we had another cop. I don't know what happened out there, but obviously she's already getting arrested. Okay. I guess. Do you want to
add to it?
Add to it?
It's fine.
No, you don't. Okay.
But how can I get a restraining order against her sister?
That would have to happen at Milwaukee County.
Okay.
Milwaukee. They in Milwaukee.
Like, you know she's gonna be like in there for like a day, like.
Sorry?
Like, do you know how long she's gonna be there? Like,
At jail?
do you know for like a whole day?
Till she see a judge.
Or like, I don't know.
She's got to see a judge about what happened today, okay?
And it's a weekend. It's a Saturday.
So we don't know.
I would, if I had to guess, I would say at least Monday. If I had to guess.
Maybe earlier, but probably Monday, okay?
I would have don't lie to her. Y'all, it's Monday. Shit, they lying.
The apartment manager saw everything, so I got her down as a witness. She couldn't believe we almost got ran over like that.
Could have been way worse.
Ultimately, the 20-year-old woman was charged with felony, vehicle fleeing eluding an officer, failure to comply with officer, misdemeanor resisting obstructing an officer, and disorderly conduct. She was later released on a $10,000 cash bond.
Damn.
As of April 2026, she was found guilty of both felony charges. The misdemeanor charges were dismissed.
I would have rather had them felonies dismissed than to have that misdemeanor dismissed. I could deal with the misdemeanor.
Ultimately,
shit.
her sentencing hearing is scheduled for June 4th, 2026.
Thank you. Thank you guys for tuning in. Shout out to all my supporters. I love you. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit that notification bell so you can stay up to date with all my latest content. Also, don't forget to hit that like, comment, and share button as well, as it helps the channel out tremendously. And that's it, baby. We out.